This is JR from R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck number 3398. It is in like new condition. Mileage is under 100. The chassis is a new 2018 Ford E450 with 158-inch wheelbase. It is two-wheel drive. The engine is a 6.8 liter V10 gasoline. The overall length is 267 inches. The overall height is 106.5 inch, and the headroom is 72. It is a Marque module. It has new paint, new rotary latches, new paddle latches, new gaskets. It has a new wheel and siren and speakers, new LED lights around the exterior and interior dome lights as well. It has a new trip light, inverter and charger, and a new HVAC system. The body configuration is oxygen in the left front L1 compartment. It also has storage for a backboard, longboard. It also has an access panel directly behind the driver's seat to access the heater valves, electric valve, and booster pump. The L2 compartment houses the inverter and charger, and it also has an adjustable shelf. L3, the left rear, is where the spare tire is stowed, the jack, and also the tire iron. It has all new aluminum diamond plate rub rails, a new aluminum diamond plate rear bumper and step, and it also flips up. The load height is 31.5 inch. The interior configuration is left side attendant seat with forward and aft action areas, storage below, behind, and above. The left side attendant seat has a fold down counter as well. It has a new front console with new LED switches, new ammeter, new voltmeter, new hour meter, USB charging ports, storage for documents. The power distribution quarters is directly behind the attendant seat. It has a right front inside-outside access ALS cabinet, and it has 3 locking cabinets. The ALS locks as well. Glove storage above the curb door, overhead storage above the squad bench, grease board on the right rear backboard compartment. R3 is for backboard storage. R2 is a smaller compartment just forward of R3. All the compartments have dry deck and stainless steel sill plates. R1 is the ALS cabinet. It has inside-outside access. And the unit has 2 batteries, one under hood and one in the R1 lower compartment. Batteries on a slide-out tray. If you have questions or would like more information on truck number 3398, please call 1-833-REMOUNT, REMOUNT, or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.